Hello, Aiza.
Hello.
Start reading, Aiza.
Peter.
Speak loudly.
Peter.
And
Jane.
like. Put the finger on the word sweets.
Sweet.
Second. Here. Yes. Are some toys.
Peter
Writes to Jane. Next.
J-N-E. Jane.
Okay. Now.
Jane
Likes the
the
dog. Okay. Now tell me. Which word is this?
S-W-E-E-T-S. Tree.
Sweets.
Sweet.
Where is the sweets written in your book? Put the finger on the word sweets. Okay. Hello, Hania.
Hello.
Start reading, Hania.
Peter
Yes.
and Jane.
Jane.
Like sweets.
Good.
Here are
Some
toys.
toys.
Peter writes
To
to
Jane.
the dog.
Very good. Now tell me, which word is this? Some. Where is the sum written in your book? Put the finger on the word some. Well done.